What up, Bafethu? Today's live FNB. Today was a big day. Ibidabi. I got you one mishola, and I told people who I'm sensing a draw. But I don't know if I can value the cozy. I want to tell you the cozy. Constellation. Irritated constellation. You know that's how you choose.
Oh, relax. How about the moment you were keep up rim? But the people in the Kival one and was the carry. The only person I feel. The more fair. Since I man ya Kawachi or injury. Relax. Up order. Then I relax. Russia and Navayash. Okay, I'm pushing it from mine. Mara next week. Santa.
You go to the finish that down. Today I have me.
Shy, Santa. Shy, mina.
What is that?
I would him nang shy. For them no shy. But then when you said it,
I
I
the eyes is what you're up again.
it's gone.
Slabonan. Oh no. That was a constellation. Favor Chiefs. So if I got an interview, so funa wapagani, so wabona wapagani ukuthi ayapi. Sure.